Huh?
I don't know if it's second or fourth. Figure it out. Second.
Yeah, that's second. Yeah, we got the rake hooked up. Had to go to Lowe's to get some bolts for the baler. We just fixed it, greased all the chains, got it hooked up. You missed that action. And while we were doing that, Patricia was out here raking. She did a pretty good job. She said she's going to come back and clean this up after I get done with this when I move to the big field over there, which is over that fence where you can't see. But yeah, she tedded it pretty good. It looks really good. I mean, it was brown standing, you know, it's past due grass. But there's some color in it. Maybe you can see that, maybe you can't. There's a lot of material here for this little field anyways. Like I said, she's gonna go and through that gate over there and start raking, and I'm gonna start baling. Yeah, it's 4 o'clock by the way. Saturday, yeah, 8th I think. So this was cut Thursday at about 6 to 8:30, 9. She tedded it yesterday, Friday at about noon, and we're raking it Saturday evening and baling. So I guess that's about typical, right? 3 days. I'll see if I can remember how to get this closed throat baler started up and make a bale. I should. I guess I'm going to put this big fat one in front of me because those are typically easier to get a bale started, and we'll just go from there. Up another. It is wobbly as I'll get out. But I'm trying to hold a camera, watch the baler at the same time. It happens. Well, there's the first one. Working on the second one. And many, many more to go. No issues yet. I actually put the guards back on the side of the baler. Chain guards or inspection doors, whatever you want to call them. And I stopped after that first bale, so I started making another one. And it started, like, a chain was smacking the door real bad. I don't know why. I lowered the LBM a little bit, and I stopped going out. So I guess we'll keep trucking and see how it goes. Alright, well, get the sun glare out of your face anyway. I got done with this little, I don't know how many acre feet. It might not be that big. I only got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Six bales in the baler. It's not quite finished off. As you can see, there is a lot of material left. I couldn't find baler teeth locally. I guess I can order them off the internet. That's definitely going to happen. This hay is really dry. It's still green. It looks good. I mean, I know that picture probably doesn't, but the bales look decent in my book. But when it's really dry, it doesn't like to get picked up well, especially when you're missing half the teeth. So I guess we're going to get started over here. Look at that. I don't know if you can see that, but a whirlwind picked up a bunch of hay right there. Yeah, I would say Patricia's far ahead of me. She's just about done, it looks like. These windrows look way better. I need big ones. I need roped ones. I know a lot of guys don't like roped windrows. I prefer them because my baler sucks. You get the PTO turned on. Yeah, it's safe. Get it revved up here. Yeah, I prefer big wide, roped windrows because it helps the whole baler feed good. And sometimes we get that, sometimes we don't. Now, we are just now getting used to this Befco 4-wheel rake. And it cleans the ground good, it really does. But I guess we're just it's not roping it the way I would normally expect. And I've got a wad stuck on the baler mouth right now. Let me address that. I gotta tell you, I think the only benefit to hay dust is it works as a pretty good sunscreen. Because we don't have cabs on our tractors, obviously. You only make hay when the sun shines. That is a thing, if you want to. Well, it's going okay. I had a couple problems where the hay is actually too dry. So what I mean by closed-throat baler is it has two rollers that actually pinch the hay as it goes into the machine. One is rubber and one is steel. Well, dry grass just wants to slip on both of those and it won't grab it. So, it is what it is. I'd rather it be dry than not. So anyways, yeah, they're plenty dry. Good color in them. And that's what they look like. Pretty tight. Trying to keep them as straight as possible. I did have one shaped like a damn cone, you know, funnel, you know, smaller on one side. But yeah, they're coming out. I don't know how many I've done in this field so far. I have to get off and cut my string every time by hand because whatever kind of mechanism that this tractor has, it's like some latch that's supposed to grab the string or this baler, and it doesn't work at all. Not at all. Not whatsoever, nowhere close. So, yeah, I mean, it's kind of a pain, but it is what it is. You gotta put it in park, turn the PTO off, cut the string, turn the PTO back on to suck in the tail of string, back up, dump the bale, and all that, you know, you're hopping on and off the tractor. It is what it is. For $300, this baler's done as well. And I had to put 2 belts on it. I think that cost like $800. I put new chains on it a couple years ago. I just got done fixing the bearing in it. That was only like a $15 repair, just like a pillow block bearing, like the kind that the bearing is conical on the outside. So, you know, it just slips into the block when you turn it sideways. Anyway, that wasn't bad. I really wish my wife wouldn't have left me go get more drums because I need a 3/4-inch rim because my pickup height is too high. We'll adjust that when she gets back. we adjusted the pickup down too much. This is always fun. I don't know if, a lot of times, if you get a milkweed, it'll lay in front of these rollers and do this. I don't think that's the case. I think, honestly, I got the pickup too close to the ground, and if it slows down, it doesn't feed right, and it'll feed all in one bowl. Or it could be a mystery Y stick. Who knows? Yeah, this is it right here. If you look, this piece right here is what's got me jammed. It's just a real thick spot that's pinched in between the rollers and won't go through. Worst part about it is, as soon as I turn the baler on, it's probably going to plug again because of all what's underneath the pickup. That wasn't too bad. Yeah, this is what it's been doing. It's so dry. Oh, there, that's where it was pinched, you can see. But these are smooth. So the grass just doesn't at all want to stick and bite into it, you know? So, why a lot of guys curse the closed throat balers, but like I said, we got this one cheap and it does its job. Excuse me. A little dusty, right? Now, yeah, another reason why I thought maybe I got it too close is there's bits of moss off the ground.
Bless you.
Bless you.
Bless you.
Yeah, so it doesn't look like it's picking up any better.
Goodness bless you.
It doesn't look like it's picking it up any better than it was before. Like if you look over there, that spot was before I adjusted the pickup. This spot is after. I guess maybe it looks a little bit better, so I won't change it, but yeah. We'll just keep at it, I guess.
He's yelling at me.
Somebody's got to.
You're so
You
dirty.
don't live with your parents no more.
Whatever.
I'm dirty?
Yeah, he owes my dad $3 million because apparently that's all I'm worth.
Well,
It went up from $1 million though,
I thought it was high priced.
What? Man, look at them beautiful windrows. Who did that? And that is some beautiful hay footage.